Hi guys, so the question which we are going to do today is Pascal triangles. So what we are given here, given an integer num rows, return the first num rows of Pascal triangle. In Pascal triangle, each number is the sum of two numbers directly above it as is shown. Okay. So yeah, each number, I mean, like 1 is the sum of 2, okay, and 1 2 is the sum of 3, 2 1 is the sum of 3. Like as it has mentioned, each number is the sum of two numbers directly above it, okay. And one thing also we need to remember it, all this left side corner triangle and right side corner triangles are 1, okay. That's how we are getting these numbers. So yeah, let's code it. You will understand it more properly. Like for example, as you can see, 1 is the sum of this second row 1 and 1. They both are the sum of 1 1, and like that's how basically the code is working. As you can see, it is the sum of this, and it is the sum of this, and it is the sum of this. But when you go to the center, 2 is the sum of both, 3 is the sum of this both, 3 is the sum of this both, and 4 is the sum of this both. Like that. The more center you go, the more value of the number increases, like it. So yeah, let's write the code, understand it more properly. We will declare a 2D vector. dp. We will be using what I can say, dp approach, obviously. Let's declare a for loop. For loop we are using so that we can iterate through all the values of the num rows. Then let's declare resize dp. Means there will be an array with all values are 0, okay. And let's enter its what I can say, dp dot I is equal to 1, okay. It's a base case, I mean, the end point, I mean the leftmost corner and the rightmost corner will always be 1, okay, and between them all the values are 0. We have initialized through dp under square bracket I dot resize all the values under 1, like as I can show you, if n is 5, then and after doing resize it will be something like 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma 0, and after using this statement, this base case, it will look something like this: 1 0 0 0 1, okay. So yeah, that's how it's working. Then we'll write a for loop. It will be a most important for loop, and it will start with 1 because the leftmost corner it already filled the 1, so it will start with 1. It will iterate till till I, okay, because it will increment not gradually but substantially, like natural numbers, 1 2 3 4, like that, okay. So we want to calculate like at the what I can say, at the third row, what will be the value at the middle of the Pascal triangle. It will be 2, but how we'll go through it? We can't directly run a for loop, we need a what I can say, two for loop. To follow is not a good statement. As you can see, as I have written, inside a for loop there is one more for loop will be needed, so that we can sum up the value of that third row middle column Pascal triangle value, what it is. As you can see, it is 2. So how we will get it? Through that. Okay, if you iterate till num rows, so we'll don't get the exact answer. We always get the base, I mean the this answer, like at the bottom of the Pascal triangle it will be the 6, it will be the 4, it will be the 4, like that. But we want a specific row, at specific row what will be the value, like that. So we'll use this method. J dp dot I, then j dp I minus 1, j minus 1 dp I plus 1 j. Return dp, let's run the code. Okay, there is an issue. What it is? Num rows. Okay, let's try it again. Still there is a show. Okay, shit. Okay, there is an issue. And what it's saying, line runtime error, applying non-zero offset 4 to the null pointer. Summary undefined behavior, route, so on and so forth. So where we are doing wrong? Vector int is right, I is less than this, it's also right. dp dot resize I plus 1. Okay, dp square bracket. Okay, no, it's also fine. 1 what could be the reason? dp hyphen dpi di dj dp everything's looking okay, got it. Yeah, maybe no. Yeah, so it worked. It beat 100%, but here it beats 62.99%, approx 63%. So yeah, that's it from my side, guys. You can calculate, these are basic. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, please write down in the question section.